This is our most feature-packed tilt head for the biggest lens you've got. This head attaches to all kinds of mounts, with its 3/8/16 thread with set screw, and it's machined to fit right at home on any Arca clamp, making it an unbelievable match for our super duper monopods. It comes with a pan arm that can be used on the left or right, and even at the top for super smooth top panning. Oh yeah, that top pan has a scale too. The tilt lock has compression discs on each side for the smoothest moves and strongest support. Your lens bracket won't come loose off the Arca plate because we've included 2 1/4-20 screws on the Arca plate to prevent rotating. The pull and twist Arca clamp is super secure. It has a magnetically stored Allen key for removing the clamp so you can attach the spring-loaded 3/8/16 or 1/4-20 thread directly to your lens. Adding this tilt head to your monopod will make shooting with the longest lens a breeze.